Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. Once again in this video we are talking about the Dogecoin, the latest update. What's going on, my friends, in the Dogecoin? Let's see the live price prediction chart of the Dogecoin. What is the next move coming soon in the Dogecoin? Absolutely, my friends, I'm very happy today because I saw the latest last 1 hour price change occurs and the Dogecoin is going positive. That's why I'm very happy today. Let's see, my friends, what's going on in the Dogecoin. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. You can see here that is the live price prediction, live price details of the Dogecoin you are watching now. My friends, if we look the latest price of the Dogecoin, so now at this time the price is still very low, but I hope with the passage of time the price will become a highest, because the Dogecoin start moving upward from the last 1 hour. So absolutely now it's a pumping time, so that's how the price will be increased in the future, friends. Now the current price is 0.333628 USD dollar. It's the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market. If you want to buy, so that is the current price you can see. And if we look, the price changes occur in the Dogecoin, so absolutely the previous time changes occurs in the Dogecoin is going wrong, but now the last 1 hour price change is going positive. So that's why I'm very happy, because I see the last 1 hour price change going positive. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on for more details. Oh my goodness, you can see here that is the last 1 month price chart. You can see, and the whole month the price of the Dogecoin is going fast down, friends. You can see here the highest price of the Dogecoin is 0.72, and you can see here the current price is 0.33 USD dollar, friends. Look at here, 0.33 as the current price and 0.72 as the highest price in the last 1 month, friends. So absolutely the price is very badly fast down in the last 1 month, my friends. But now at this time, if you look the last 1 week price changes occur in the Dogecoin, so I think gradually they start moving upward, and again the price will again start moving upward. Let me show you, friends. Let's see. You can see here now the price chart. It is the lowest price of a point of the Dogecoin in the market. You can see here, and after this point they will again start moving upward. And now, my friends, my personal prediction is that, my personal belief is that maybe there is a chances to they take a huge pump in the start of a new month, friends. As you know, it is the end of May, so that is why every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time. So maybe, my friends, the price is fast down of Dogecoin for a little time, but after some period of time the price will again start moving upward, I hope. But remember, my friends, you have to hold Dogecoin, friends. That's how you can get a good amount of profit. If you sell Dogecoin, so you don't get any type of profit, friends. And if you decide to sell, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the last 1 week price change occur and the Dogecoin is going negative, so you are in the loss. Anyways, my friends, that is the latest update of 27 May. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates video.